Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official, and we will continue with this next tutorials, which will start from this storage office, then pantry, and the admin office and all. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, if you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification of my video. So let us start now. Okay, let me open this app software and go to the space. Okay, and then what you will do, go to this store, just create the store room. Okay, so select any one of these option and just rename this first floor store. Okay, and then area will be 1.8, and the area, this width is 1.8 and 2.9. So calculate the area 2.9 by 1.8, which will be 5.22. 5.22. Okay, and floor this is not this is select user defined. Okay, and height is 4 meter. Then go to the internal storage room. There is no people. Then go to the, there is wall, windows and door exposure. So in this there is no one is, nothing will be used because there is no exposed wall. And then go to the roof and skylight. So in the roof and skylight, you have to enter the floor area, which is 5.2, and your floor is above condition space, and there is no partition. Click OK. Okay, now the pantry. So just duplicate the this as well, same store. Just duplicate this and make it rename this, which is pantry. Okay, and calculate the area. So width is 3.3 and height is 2.9. So 3.3 by 2.9, which will be 9.57 square meter. So here is 9.57 square meter, and ceiling height is 4 meter, which is as usual. There is no people. Let me check here if there is any people here in this from furniture layout. So here is no people. So leave as it is. Okay. Not select. Do not enter any people here. Okay. And then next is exposure. So there is only one exposure, which is north. Okay, so in the north exposure you have to go to this floor plan. Okay, the model. Okay, and you can check this is the width 3.3. So 3.3 the width, and height is height of the wall is 4 meters. So 13.2 square meter is the exposed wall. 13.2 square meter, and there is one window, which is ZL2. So enter the number of quantities of window and select here GL2, and here is none. Okay. Then go to the roof and skylight, which is horizontal roof 9.6 square meter here, 9.6, and floor is above condition space. There is no partition. Click OK. Oh, here is the partition, which is a toilet, the wall between the toilet and pantry, because this will be the ventilation air only. So let me calculate the gross area of this partition wall, which is 1.8 by 4 meters. So let us open this, select here wall, and calculate the wall gross area 1.4 by 4, which is 7.2 square meter here. And here is 46, and this is 41. Okay, and then click OK. Then next is your admin manager office. So let me go to this app software, and you can select which is procurement, transport and logistic. Okay, procurement. Just duplicate this and rename this, which is admin manager. Admin manager. Okay, and The gross area for this admin manager office is 4 meter by 5.8. Just calculate the gross area, which is 4 meter by 5.8, 23.2 square meter. So here is 23.2 square meter, and this is the office, and ceiling height will be same. Go to the internals. In the internals, you have to enter the number of people here from the furniture layouts, which is here three chairs and here is three, so total six people can sit in this room. So number of people will be six. And in the wall, windows and door exposure is there is north wall, which is the area for the north wall is 4 meter by 4, so it will be 16 square meter. Okay, 16 square meter, and there is one window which is GL2 again, so this will be same GL2. And go to the roof and skylight and enter the gross area, floor area 23.2 here. Okay, 23.2. Then go to this floor. So in the floor you can select the number first option, which is floor above condition space, and there is a partition, so there is no partition. So you go to the partition tab and enter 00 and click OK. Now next is your secretary's office. So in the secretary's office, simply duplicate this fine admin manager office. Okay, and then rename this secretaries. Okay, and the floor area is 4 meter by 5.8, which will be same as admin manager, so here it will be same 4 meter. And internals only will change the internals, which will be taken from this furniture layout. So here is four people can sit only as per the furniture layout, so number of people will be four, and exposure will be also same as the previous space. And there is one window which is GL2 again, so here is same everything. And roof and skylight will be also same because the floor area is same here. And then there is no partition, click OK. The next is your advisor office. So simply duplicate the secretary's office, and in this you have to rename a first floor advisor. Okay, and the area is it will be same. Three office dimension is same here, showing 4 meter by 5.8, so everything will be same here. Okay, only change here number of people which will be taken from this furniture layout. So you can see here there are six people, six chairs are available, so six people can sit on this room. So here you can change six. And then exposure is north and east exposure in this office, so north exposure will be same and east exposure is 5.8 by 4. The gross area is 23.2 for the east exposure, and there is no window here, so do not select here any window, just make this one none, and here is one, here is none. Okay, and then roof and skylight will be horizontal roof, and the gross area for the roof is 23.2. And then floor is above condition space, there is no partition here, so click OK. So this we have done up to there. Okay, now I am going to calculate for this corridor. Okay, so in the corridor, just duplicate this. Okay, advisor office, and just duplicate first floor and corridor. Okay, first floor corridor. So we have to calculate the area. So in the AutoCAD, the area command is AA. So type A and just start selecting the area from this space. Okay, this point. Okay, go straight here up to this last point. Okay, and then this point. Okay, and go up to this point, click this point, and select this point. Okay, and then straight up to here, this point. Okay, and here click this one, go straight, just see if it is all selected. Okay, here. Okay, so you can see here the corridor is all selected and the area, just enter. If you enter, you can see here in command bar area. So you can see here 14.8 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 148 square meter. Okay, so here is 148 square meter area and 4 meter height, and this is your lobby and corridor. So in this, I think there will be corridor option here. So let me check and select the corridor. Just look for the corridor in this outdoor ventilation requirement. So entry, lobby and corridor. Here is corridor. Okay. So select this, go to the internals, and number of people will be 0 in the corridor because there is no people is waiting there. Okay, and then go to the wall and window. So in this there is east and west exposure, east and west, which is here. You can see this is the only exposed wall in this. So the area is 2.6 by 4. Okay, so 10.4 square meter here, 10.4, and here is also 10.4, and here is no windows, 0 window is 0, one door, each side is one door, which is FED. Okay, so there is no window here, so you make it none, and there is FED door, and here is also no window, the door is FED. Okay, then go to the roof and skylight, which is 148 here. So 148, and floor is above condition space. There is no partition. Click OK, and just save this. Okay. Let me verify the corridor area for this ground floor as well. I think 148. This also will be, by mistake I put this one 148, and here is both the corridor is same 148 as well. Okay. Okay, so save this. Okay, and now we have completed all the spaces. So I hope you guys learn how to create the spaces in the HAP. So we have completed the all the spaces for the ground floor as well as first floor. So in the next tutorials, guys, I will create the system. So don't forget to watch my next tutorials because the next tutorials will be very important. And I hope you guys learn something from this video. So if you learn something from this video, please do subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Also please like and share my video, so don't forget to subscribe and share. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.